Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Wurundjeri and Bunurong people, and pay our respects to Indigenous people, past, present and emerging.
We also would like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here with us today.
Well, good afternoon everybody and welcome to our very first Cranbourne East Primary School weekly online assembly for Term 4. Today I'm going to share some really exciting news with you, and it's about one of our students in Year 5. I would like to congratulate Ronit. Ronit is the award winner of a statewide poetry and writing competition. Well, actually it's not statewide, it's actually the whole of Victoria and the whole of Tasmania. And Ronit wrote a fantastic poem, and he wrote it in Hindi. So congratulations, Ronit, and when you return to school, I'm looking forward to hearing your poem, and I would certainly like to invite you up to the office, so not only myself, but all the assistant principals as well, we can hear that fantastic poem. Well, my next message is to announce some more exciting news, and you may have heard about this, but next year we can once again run our school tutoring program. It's a wonderful opportunity that we get, the teachers at the school, to provide that extra support to our students, and I look forward to seeing that program work into next year. My next point is to say a really big thank you to Mrs. Kelly. Mrs. Kelly has been working very, very hard behind the scenes, and Mrs. Kelly has submitted an application so that the school can get another shade sail, which we're going to put outside Room 2, Room 7 and Room 8, and that will assist with outdoor learning. So certainly look forward to that, and hopefully we can get that shade sail in place, in the next couple of weeks. My next message is to welcome Mrs. Bennett. Mrs. Bennett is returning to school, and Mrs. Bennett will be working with the Year 3 students. So when you see Mrs. Bennett around, please make sure you say hello to her. I'm sure she'll appreciate the welcome. As you know, this term we had many year-level swimming programs prepared. However, unfortunately, we've had to postpone swimming programs until next year. But Mr. Shaw is working very hard behind the scenes, and he's looking at organising some virtual water safety lessons that we can have all our students participate in between now and the end of the year. So it's unfortunate, but however, let's look forward to running those swimming programs, taking part in those really important swimming programs next year. I would like to say once again a big congratulations to our students. I know this week and next week we continue through remote learning. The week after that we're going to start welcoming year level students back to school for a few days during the week. But I do want to say thank you, children. You're doing an outstanding job with your work, outstanding job keeping connected to the school, and I certainly look forward to seeing everybody back as soon as we can. Excuse me. My next message is, now this is actually from last term. Sarah in Year 4, I know you're watching today. During one of the class meets, I noticed that you had this absolutely fantastic background. It was an enlarged, smiling face of someone we know. Yeah, we know. So, Sarah, I want to say congratulations. It looked absolutely fantastic. And as of this week, you're going to see some fantastic messages from staff. Once again, congratulating our students for the wonderful, wonderful work that you're doing. We're seeing some excellent work, absolutely fantastic children. So you hear it from me, but you're going to hear it from our teachers as well. All right, that's all from me. Stay safe, everybody, and I'll look forward to seeing you around the school as soon as we can. Bye now.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Baker. I just wanted to give everyone a really big congratulations on all of your hard work on remote and flexible learning. Everyone has been doing such an amazing job, and all of your teachers could not be any more proud. 6KM, a real big shout out for you guys. Every day you're there with a big smile on your face, and it just makes me and Miss McGrath's day, seeing all your faces and helping you with your work. Can't wait to see you back in the classroom soon. Bye.
Hello everybody, it's Miss Smith here. I would just like to say I hope you have all enjoyed working from home in your dressing gowns and your hoodies at the moment. I'd also just like to say a huge congratulations to every single student at Cranbourne East Primary School. You have all done such an amazing job with your online learning, persisting through every day, attending your Google Meets, your literacy meetings, even students on work packs. You guys are all doing an amazing job. Shout out to 3SR, Mrs. Riley, Mrs. Dorr, and Miss Smith are all very proud of all of you as well. And a big shout out to all families and carers for supporting your students and our community as well with our online learning. All right, bye everybody.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Button here. Just want to share a huge congratulations to all of the students and families at Cranbourne East Primary School. The resilience that you have shown over the last couple of months through remote and flexible learning has been fantastic, and the effort that you've put into your tasks, even though they've looked a bit different, is phenomenal. So congratulations, especially to those people who have been doing the Digitech tasks online this semester and last semester. You should be really proud of what you have achieved at this time, and thank you so much to our parents and carers for your support, because it really does take a whole community to achieve what we have in these times. So thank you very much.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Piri. I just wanted to send a message to say congratulations on doing such an awesome job of flexible and remote learning. You are all smashing it and we are all very, very proud of you. Special shout out to the preps. They are doing magnificent. I know it's very tricky for the preps and the families during this time, but you're smashing it and we're all really proud and happy with the progress that you guys have made. So thank you so much. It's really appreciated by all of us at Cranbourne East Primary School. Big hugs.
Hi everyone, it's Mr. Shaw here, and we just want to say a massive congratulations to all of the students who participated in the School Sport Victoria virtual cross country. Our school did amazing and we're so proud of everyone, and we've got our awesome house captain Vanessa to take us through the results. So over to you, Vanessa.
Well done everyone. Thank you for participating in the virtual cross country. We managed to do 233 Ks as a school and came 12th place overall out of 133 primary schools and secondary schools. And our points placed us in 8th place out of primary schools. It was great to participate together as students, even though we weren't in person.
Hello teachers, today for inquiry I've made a rainbow hat, and what this means is like to treat everyone very well, and people come from different countries, they speak different languages, they're different colors, and no matter where they come from and how they are, you should treat everyone equally, and that's what this hat means. Let me wear this